Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world, guys. Okay, guys, today I am coming here with a very powerful news. Okay, I am going to show you a very great website that is going to really help you. Okay, this website is going to be very useful for you. Okay, because this website is going to help you to track all the professional, okay, and to know in which match those professional is putting their money in Europe. Okay, so I'm going to select a match randomly match, any match, okay, and we'll go and track that match on the website that I'm going to show you. Okay, so guys, if you are new here, okay, and you don't want to miss any of my new video, okay, the best thing to do is to subscribe and activate the notification bell, okay, and above all, okay, share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks and this best that I used to share on my channel. Okay, and also guys, like the video. Okay, if only you like this video that I'm doing, okay, like the video. This is the only way you can show me that you like this type of video so that I can do more video that look like this type of videos. Okay, so guys, and before we start, okay, if those of you that really wanted to secure their account, okay, I always used to say that because it is very important to secure your account. Okay, those of you who really want to secure their account, okay, the best thing you can do, okay, is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code is going to secure your account, guys. Whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xBet platform, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue, guys. It is the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, so secure your account with the best promo code in the world. Okay, and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys. Okay, it is the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, and also with this promo code, if you have created an account with this promo code, whatever the problem you can face on 1xBet, you can contact me, okay, and I'll help you to put pressure on them so that you can solve your problem in a very easy way, guys. Okay, but this promo code, I'm more than sure that you will not even face any issue. Okay, guys, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Okay, let's go for me to show you this useful app so that you can also track the professional bettors in Europe. Okay, guys, so let's take a random match. Okay, let's select England, for example. Okay, because most of the professional bettors used to target the England matches. Okay, as you can see here, the midless bro this my pronunciation is very bad. This team is going to play against Leeds United. Okay, so now we are going to check how these two matches look like on the website. Okay, let's go to Google, okay, and find this match on the website that I'm going to show you. Okay, let's go to Google. Okay, then when we reach Google here, we write here bet, okay, watch, bet watch, okay, bet watch okay, and then it will come. Okay, sorry guys, then you click get started for free. Okay, let's go in. Okay, guys, please, I think you are in the wrong place. Okay, let's start again. Okay, I have done some mistake. Okay, you write here bet watch dot fr. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, as soon as we select that, okay, it will come like this. Okay, as you can see here, they are giving us some four different options: daily, in play, upcoming, and faves. Okay, so now we are on daily now, on the daily option now we are going to look to find our matches on 1xBet. So let's try Middlesbrough and Leeds. This is our match on 1xBet that we targeted right now. Okay, Middlesbrough and Leeds. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, as soon as we are inside now, you see the app, the bet watch will give a lot of option, and we can see here that let's say here, this the, you see here, win one. Okay, sorry guys, let me start again. Win one. Okay, here the win one, the total people, only the total people who have bet on this match, okay, only 7% should selected the win one, and the total amount of money that they have been placed on, the total amount that have been placed on this match is 4,000 euro. As you can see, 4,000 euro is being placed on this match. 4,000 euro and 500, okay, has been placed on this match. This is the total amount of money, and only 7% of the total, 7% of the total people that have been bet on this match have choose win one. Okay, and this is very, very low. And also here, you can also see that 7% have also choose draw, and okay, 7% have also choose draw. Okay, and the total amount they have been placed is 4,500 euro. Okay, and also after that, now this, you can see here, 86% of the people have selected win 2 on this match. Okay, and you can see the total amount that have been placed here is 57,000 euro that has been placed on this match. Okay, so here we can see that the probability of the second team to win here is very, very, very high. You can see that 86% of the people have selected win 2 here. Okay, so a wise person can just come here and track how the people are selecting their matches in Europe, because we know that in Europe people have more information about these matches more than us that are not in Europe. Okay, they have more information, they have secret information that we don't know. So that's the reason why they can place a lot of amount of money on this type. So if you see a match, if you come on BetWatch and you search for a match and you see that there is a very huge amount that have been placed on in some option, you can also select the option and place your money, guys. Okay, so this is a very wise way. You can come and check and track how the professional bettors, because this type of matches, this will show you where the professional bettors have placed their money, so that you play the same thing and you try to win. Okay, guys, I want you to tell me what you think about this app on the comment. Okay, and also if you like this type of video, give me a like and tell me what you think about the comment. Give me a like. This will show me that you like this type of video, so that I can do more video who look exactly like this, guys. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, a wise person can, after seeing this, okay, as you can see, you can also see that here, the over under, okay, the under 2.5 here. Okay, we have here 27% of the total people who have placed under 2.5, and 73% of the people who have placed over 2.5. Okay, so guys, this is a very nice way you can come and target your option and win your bet in a very, very easy way on the BetWatch. Okay, guys, so this is what I wanted to share with you. Okay, so a very wise person can just come here. Sorry guys, okay, I'm so sorry guys, be patient. A very wise person can, after targeting this, he immediately know that this match, Leeds is going to have more chance to win this match. Okay, so he will just come and select this match and win his match in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you about BetWatch. Okay, so tell me what you think on the comment section. Okay, and have a nice day, guys. Okay, guys, I love you. Ciao.